actually. Why this topic came, Daniel, from this chapter, what we are learning? We are learning the below points actually. Below points. What are the points, This topic especially having separate keywords. This topic completely depends upon one topic. The topic name is called as the keywords. What are all keywords in flow control chapter, sir? First one is if, the next one else, the next one elif. One more time. If, else, elif. One more time. The next one. For, the next one while. While actually.
Continue.
Next keyword is break. Break.
Pass.
Continue.
Pass.
Pass. Repeating again. These 8 keywords would have. Learning flow control means learn about all these keywords actually. Then we can close the discussion. That's what you need to be understand. Repeating again. Then from this chapter, we are learning there are total 8 keywords actually. There are total how many keywords? 8 keywords. These 8 keywords I have divided from experience like a set 1, section 1, section 2, section 3 or else part 1, part 2, part 3. Anything you can say. You have to read first 3 one set, give a small pause actually. Second 2, give a small pause. Last 3. Come on, read everybody. If, else, elif, for, while, break, continue, pass. Let us move on. Daniel, what do you mean by flow control? So we are learning all these keywords actually. Wait for this one. What is a flow control? What is a flow control? Good. If you wanted to understand what is a flow control, let me explain about being a data scientist, we need to write a program. Being a data scientist or AI engineer, we need to write a program. Chappan sir, we need to write a program actually. We need to write a program. Hey Daniel, what do you mean by program? Sir, program means group of instructions. Chappan, group of? One more time. Group of instructions. Also called as a group of statements. Also, this point is important. Order of statements execution. Statements execution is called as flow control. Is called as what, Sarji? Flow control. Come on, I wanted to hear from your sweet voice actually. Read everybody. Order of statements execution is called as statements. Where statements are available? Statements are available inside program actually. That's interconnection. Did you understand, sir? Come on. Can you read one more time? Order of statements execution. Daniel, how many types of order? How many types of order? Types of order actually. Types of orders. Any orders unti ante? There are mainly 3 orders. 3 orders would you have actually. First one is called as a sequential order, sequential execution. You can also call as a sequential order, sequential execution. Second one is called as a conditional execution. Second one is called as what, Sarji? Conditional execution. Third one is called as a kind of some looping kind of execution. Looping execution actually. Looping execution. Ante orders 3 types ఉంటాయి. Sequential, conditional, looping. Condition or conditional, anything you can say. Conditional execution, condition execution, anything. Come on, sir, please. I will give you time to make your notes actually, please. Na mohan చూడండి sir కాసేపు. Please, everybody. What is the first one? Sorry. First one, sequential, conditional, looping. One more time. Good. Daniel, what do you mean by flow control? Flow control means order of statements execution. Sequential. Yeah, good. Very good. That's open material. Now it's a writer. I need to tell what is a sequential, what is a conditional, and I will explain. Yeah, Daniel, the order, whatever I have delivered, I documented. You guys need to follow the document. The order of statements execution is called as a flow control. Types of execution or order actually. Based on requirement, programs, statements can be executed in a different ways like a sequentially, conditionally, repeatedly. Right. In any programming language, the statements will be executed mainly in 3 ways actually. First one, sequential, conditional, looping. We'll see. Daniel, what is a sequential, conditional, looping? Hold on. Yeah. So the first one is a sequential execution. Can you talk with me? What is the first one? Sequential. What is sequential execution, sir? Think like statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3. There are total 3 statements. These 3 statements are executing in 1 by 1 order. Chappan sir, 1 by 1. I mean to say first statement executes, second statement executes, third one executes, fourth one, keep on, it will execute actually. If the statements are executing like a one by one order, that is called as a sequential execution. Very simple. By using that, we can create only simple examples actually, but not logical examples. Are you with me or not, sir? Hey Daniel, what do you mean by that? Statements executes from top to bottom means one by one statements. This conditional also having another word. That word is called as a decision. What is that one, sir? Decision. Decision related keywords actually. I can highlight. Hold on. Sir, make a note. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Now here is the story. To do any task, first of all, there is a small checkpoint actually. There is a small checking. What do you mean by checking, Let me tell you. Imagine you are getting ready for the class. You are getting ready for what, Sajid? Class. Hey Daniel, no rain. If no rain, yes, no rain actually, go to the offline session. Go to what session? Imagine there is no rain. Sir, session never be cancelled actually. Are you with me? If there is no, I'm sorry, repeating again. If there is no rain, go to the offline session. If there is a rain, if there is a what, Saji? Rain, go to the online session actually. Conclusion of the story, to attend the session, we are applying small condition. We are applying small what, Saji? If it is rain, choose one statement. You can finish your task actually. If it is other statement, if the condition result is a true, go for offline. If the condition result is a false, go for online actually. Go for what, Saji? Online. Now the point is, sir, can I ask a question? Can you read this word actually? You word chodutara? Condition. One more time. One more time. Where you heard this word? Ekkada vinnaru idi gurtunda? No, Daniel. Morning breakfast we didn't remember. How you remember these are all? Antunnara? Sir, you have to remember. All topics you have to remember. Go to the topic operators actually. Relational keyword, relational operator. By using relational operator, what we can do? We can create a simple condition. We can create a that is exactly this one. Get ready. Are you with me or not, sir? I will talk with you one by one. You will get an idea. Let me repeat again. Hey Daniel, I wanted to finish one task. It's okay? To finish the task, I am applying condition. I am applying what, Sajid? Condition. If condition result is a true in the sense Boolean values will get actual. If condition result is a true, I would like to execute this statement. If condition result is a false, I would like to execute this statement actually. Anyway, this is just a simple diagram and theoretical explanation. We are doing practical. You will get a more clarity actually. Are you ready? Yeah. The next one. Looping kind of execution. What is the next one? Looping kind of execution. Best example is range. Range function we already done actually. Am I right? Good. In a range data type, hey Daniel, imagine this one is a range. Do you have a values in range actually? Yes. If you have a values in range, do one thing, print that values, come back again, check again. Do you have a values in range? Yes. Print that values again and come back again actually and check the range actually. This looping means keep on iterate, it will iterate, sir. Keep on, it will be execute actually until finish the all values. Until finish what exactly, sir? All value. I understand you didn't understand. I will explain later one more time actually. But are you clear or not, sir? But I need response from you. Can you tell me what is the first one? Sequential. Next one? Conditional. Next one? Loop. Looping kind of execution. Yeah. Daniel, conditional means based on condition. Statement. Now the next one, same thing like a looping also. Based on here also conditions required. Statement is used to execute randomly and what's actually repeatedly. All right, this one is a sequential execution. Print 1, 2, 3. Do I need to execute this example? Please, I guess, right? What is output, sir? 1, 2, 3. Statement first one executed, second one executed, third one is executed actually. Are you clear? Good. This is a very basic example. Now you guys need to be understand. Let me divide the keywords in a different ways. Keywords actually. Flow control related keywords. The first one, yeah. If, chappan sir, else, elif. One more time. If, else, elif. Per, while.
Break.
Nice. Break, continue, pass. Remember these are all. First to 3 keywords having the separate name. This is called as a conditional keywords. What keywords, man? Conditional. You can also call as a decision making. What exactly, sir? Decision making. One more time. You can call as a conditional, also call as a decision making related keywords. Decision making related keywords actually. Yeah, Daniel, we got it. Then the next category belongs to what exactly? Looping kind of execution. Looping kind of execution actually. Looping kind of execution. The third one you can think like, other keywords actually. What is the third one, sir? Other. This we'll discuss later one by one. Yeah, that's the division. We can divide, the first three category belongs to. Are you talking about else keyword actually? You're talking about the conditional. Are you discussing about the for keyword, boss? Then you're talking about looping. But these three are other. Break, continue, pass. One more time, sir. We'll see. We are going to learn one by one. Then let us start. Online team you are following, I guess. Let's continue. Yeah. Daniel, what is this combination? Hold on. We will come to know. I will come to here and I will explain actually. There is one important topic. The topic name is a indentation. What is the topic name? Indentation. One more time.
जैसे ना
Just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. I will come to this topic. I will explain. So there is a separate. Are you with me or not, sir? Till yesterday's session, if I say immediately how to create a variable, you should know how to create a variable. How to check the data type for variable, you should know actually. How to take value at runtime, you should aware. What are all data types would you have, you should aware. If you know these are all things, can I ask you one question? Till yesterday, did you understand? Then I'm sure till yesterday you will understand actually. Till yesterday, if anyone didn't understand, trust me, data science is too difficult for you. నిన్నటి వరకు నేను చెప్పిన టాపిక్స్ ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే కనుక చాలా కష్టం సార్. బట్ ఇఫ్ ఎవ్రీబడి అండర్స్టాండ్ టిల్ ఎస్టర్డే సెషన్, ట్రస్ట్ మీ, యూ విల్ బికమ్ డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ యాక్చువల్. అండ్ వెన్ ఐ సే డేటా సైంటిస్ట్, ప్రాక్టీస్ is important. What is important? That I can talk later. Then let me continue. Right. The first one.py. Can you select the files? Go to the desktop. Go to the coding. Let's save this one. Let's minimize this one. Yeah.
बरं.
Good. Very simple example. You know by this time actually. Am I right? Good. Let's take this one. Creating a 2. These are all not required. Let me close. This not we are going to use. Yeah. Sorry. Let's take running node searching. Creating a variables and creating a condition by using variables. Are you clear about this one, sir? Now I am moving on with if example. What example? If example. If keyword example actually. If keyword example. I request you, please focus on the syntax. Please focus on what, Sarji? Syntax. The syntax is, you need to write if keyword. You need to write what, Sarji? If keyword. After if keyword, what we need to write, sir? You need to write RHS value. What value? Daniel, for if I will write LHS, you should not write. Follow the syntax action. Whenever if keyword came, for if keyword, RHS required. What is required, sir? RHS. After RHS, column symbol is required in Python. Why column? Hold on, I will tell you. Step by step I can cover actually. Please follow the syntax. If RHS value, then can you tell me what is this one? Column symbol but not semicolon. It's a column symbol only we have to provide. Python will recognize column symbol only. If you are giving semicolon, you will get a syntax error, boss. What error? Syntax. Go to the next line. Go to what, Saji? Next line. Wherever column symbol came, go to the next line. Provide one small tab space. Provide one tab actually. This is called as indentation. Now here you can write a statements. Here you can write what, Saji? Statements. That is a syntax, sir. Very simple syntax. Let me repeat again. Can you repeat again? If RHS column indentation. One more time. Indentation. Come on, sir. Then next one is the statements. Let me just write to example. Then cook example rasan chudandi. If, can you tell me after if what I need to write? RHS in position condition you need to write actual. What we need to write, sir? Condition. We need to write a condition. What we need to write? Then column symbol. Then here you can write a statements. This is the actual syntax. I will write one example, you will get an idea. I will explain 2 to 3 times for your better understanding. Are you ready, sir? Come on, read one more time. If condition, column symbol, indentation. One more time. Indentation. Statements are statements. That's still okay. Yeah. Let me write one small example. I would like to say this is the if keyword syntax. Just now I have covered syntax, Daniel. Syntax I covered. Now if keyword example, let me cover. Actual example. Okay. Yes, sir. So let us just have to walk through again. Biryani underscore cost equals to 300 rupees. Now in my wallet also, I do have a 300 rupees. Just to think like that. 300 rupees. Sir, get ready. If, what I'm writing? If RHS required, what is required? RHS required and column symbol. And here you can just to write some statement. That statement will be hello. What exactly you can just try to write? Hello actually. Good. So when I say RHS position, can you tell me what we need to write? Condition. What we need to write? Condition. Here I wanted to check is both are matching or not. Right? So biryani cost double equals to, what is this one, sir? Valid cost. Exactly, sir. Make a note on this one. Make a note actually. If keyword, I would like to say condition. What is that one? One more time. Condition. After condition, column symbol. What symbol, sir? Wherever column came in Python, go to the next line, provide indentation. Thumb rule. That is a mere గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సిన rule actually. Wherever column came in Python, go to the next line, provide indentation, except lambda. What is a lambda? I can talk later actually, right? And here I can write one small statement. That statement will be enjoy biryani. Enjoy what, Sarji? Biryani actually. Biryani. Good. Let me explain the code. Opening code explain చేస్తాను చూడండి. This code is very easy, sir. See, previously, here we have written directly. The statement here we have written directly. That is called as a sequential execution. Line number 1 executes, line number 2 executes, line number 3 executes actually. Now what we are doing, this is not a sequential execution. My system hanging, sir. Yeah, good. Let me repeat again. To eat biryani, definitely we need to check our wallet actually. Please think logically. Imagine, best example, sir, nearby there is a Krutunga. I like biryani very well, right? So if anyone is non-veg, if overall not veg, non-veg, I'm sorry for sir, right? I like biryani. Imagine I'm going over the road actually. I have seen Krutunga restaurant. Then I wanted to, if I have a desire, I wanted to eat that biryani. Condition number 1, check the money. Condition number 1, am I right or not, sir? Yeah. In our daily life, we are checking the condition. Do you wanted to eat breakfast actually? Do you wanted to have a breakfast in hotel actually? Check your money. Our wallet supposed to be loaded actually. Then only we can enjoy these are all things. Am I right or not, sir? Good. If condition result, here is a 300, here also 300 actually. If condition result is a true, repeating again. Imagine if the condition result is a true, we will get this output actually. If condition result is a false, I'm sorry, we never get this output actually. Are you with me or not, sir? I mean to say, let me tell you, imagine here condition result is a true. If condition result is a true, your program will enter instead of if actually. When I say instead of if, these statements it will be executed, sir. Welcome to the restaurant. Print you can just have to write here actually. Welcome to restaurant, sir. A kind of some hotel. You can just have to make a note actually. Yes, see? Statement number 1, statement number 2. When these statements 2 executes, sir, if the condition result is a true, then only these 2 it will execute actually. Are you clear? Imagine, Daniel, I do have only 99 rupees. Think like that. In my wallet, I do have only what, Sarji? 99 rupees. Can I ask a question? Biryani cost 300 and wallet money 99. 300 double equals to 99. Can you tell the result actually? If it is false, sorry, instead of if statement will not execute actual. That's what you need to be understand. I will cover one more example. Are you clear first of all? Let me show this example. Example చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Then you will get a nice clarity, right? Yeah, exactly, sir. Welcome to restaurant or hotel. Enjoy what, Sarji? These 2 statement executed just because of this one is a true. Now, conclusion of the story. The program execution completely depends upon the condition. Completely depends on if condition result is a true, if block will be executed. If condition result is a false, sorry, if block won't execute actually. If block what, Sarji? Won't execute. Are you clear, sir? Good. Let me just try to, let us make it false actually. How I can make it false, you can just try to write a 9900. 300 rupees. I have a wallet in my only 99 rupees actually. Sorry. Right? You should not enter even into the hotel actually. Yeah, exactly, sir. No output actually. Can I continue? Let us take these 2 examples. Malli explain chestam. Quite interesting. I will explain coding in a very fun way here onwards, right? So, if keyword. We are using if keyword, especially condition is true, sir. Condition is what, Sarji? True. Condition is true. నేను ఇక్కడ కాలం రాస్తే మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. యా, నౌ దెన్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Let us make it condition is the false. Let us make it what, Sarji? Condition is the false. How can I make it condition is false? Take this code and you can just have to, can you help me? What I need to make it? Tell me, boss. That's it. 99 actually. 99. We are good to go. With your kind of permission, I will erase the code and I will rewrite one more time. Are you ready? So that you already know block of the code, you can enjoy actually. Can I continue? Yeah, let's continue. Daniel biryani underscore price, biryani underscore cost actually. Let us take 300 rupees. Wallet money. In my wallet also, I do have a money. How much money I do have, sir? 300. If it is greater than 300, you need to apply greater than symbol. Think like, you are having 500 actually. You are having what exactly, sir? 500. Then we need to apply greater than less than symbols. That you need to balance actually. I guess. That example also I can write. Let me explain the basic example. After if keyword RHS, we need to write, sir. Madam, what we need to write? RHS. Column symbol. What symbol? After a column symbol, next we need to provide indentation. Next we need to provide indentation. I will talk about that indentation in another 2 minutes actually. Now here you can write some statements. Hello, you can just have to write some statement. Now define a condition. Daniel, here we need to write a condition actually. Here we need to write what, such a condition. Daniel, for if keyword can I write LHS? If you can, I may explain actual. Ala rase pakshamlo nenu explain chesevan. Then this syntax is invalid. This syntax is what, such a invalid. Are you talking about if keyword actually? For if keyword only RHS required. Only what is required? RHS. If you are providing LHS, you will get error, sir. You will get what exactly? Error actual. Error, right? Now come on, let us define the condition. Take first variable. You have to use existing variables to create a condition. Yeah. Let me use this variable. First variable and second variable. Very good. Now condition is ready. What is ready? If anyone is coming from Java or C, here we need to use parenthesis symbol. But in Python, that parenthesis symbol is optional. A condition of a parenthesis symbol petali, but in Python that is optional. That is what, Saji? Optional. Though it is optional, I no need to highlight actually. I no need to highlight. Make a note on this. Okay. Yeah, good. Enjoy biryani. Enjoy what, Saji? Biryani actually. Now I need your response. Right. Now Daniel, condition. The program execution depends on condition. If it is true, if block will execute. If block will what, Sarji? Executes. Okay. Then condition result is a false. Can you tell me, sir? If block won't execute. Chappan, sir, if block won't execute. If you are able to understand this statement actually, you are really understand the topic very nicely. Right. Sir, condition is a true. If it is a true, what it will execute actually? If block. If it is condition result is a false, what it won't execute actually. What exactly, sir? It won't execute. This point is important. Keynote. This is what exactly, sir? Keynote. I will cover one more example for your better understanding so that you will get an idea. Okay. Delete this piece of code. Now let us run. Perfect, Daniel. Perfect actually. Then let us make it, this is the 900. This is what exactly? 99. 99 actually. You can just have to apply this. Okay. Can I get a response? It's a right time. Let me talk about indentation. I need to talk about indentation actually. Indentation. Hey Daniel, what is indentation? These are all things. Let me talk with you. Go back. Once after I explain indentation, then I can read the theory so that you can feel comfortable. Right. Go back to the discussion. Sir, indentation. Python uses indentation. Don't think too much. Indentation means space. Indentation means what, Saji? Space. Tab space or else a normal space actually. Python uses indentation to indicate the block of the code. To indicate what, Saji? Block of the code. If you are coming from, let me tell you, if you are coming from either C or C++ or Java, if you wanted to write a same program in Java, how you can write, take this one, Sarji. Take this one. Here you need to write if, and first condition you need to write actually. Here also condition. I would like to make it this two variable. I can take this one. Yeah. Then go to the next line. And in next line you need to write a flower brace starting. Next line you need to close a flower brace starting actually. Right. Whatever you are starting, inside if actually starting and closing is required. But for Python, instead of starting and closing, they are using indentation. They are using what, Sarji? Are you clear or not, sir? Right? And here you can write enjoy biryani. System dot out dot. I hope you already know this, right? System dot out dot. Then you guys are very good in Java, I guess, actually, right? Println, and here you can write enjoy. Boss, you can enjoy actually. Semicolon is required. Semicolon is required. But Daniel, we are from Python, right? So this syntax is the vary. In Python, what is exact syntax? You know, if take the condition. Take what, Saji? Condition, condition. Instead of starting and closing, in one shot, you can provide column symbol. Go to the next line, indentation. This is so called as indentation, sir. This is so called as a, then you can write the statement. Print, you can write what exactly, sir? Print off, and here you can write enjoy the biryani. That's what you need to be understand. It's nothing. Indentation means separating the code. Separating what, Saji? Code actually. Are you clear? Good. One important point. If you are not following the indentation, yeah, let me introduce error actually. Indentation error. Indentation error. Daniel, if you are not following the indentation, if we are not following the indentation, then we'll get error actually. What error, you know, sir? Indentation error. Let me raise actually. I error raise chestan chudandi. Let me reproduce. Everybody look at my screen, please. Sir, here indentation is required. Wherever column symbol came, go to the next line. Indentation is required. Let me save the code actually. Let me rerun the code. Everybody look at my screen. Yeah, we are getting error, sir. We are getting what exactly? Error. What is that error, you know? Indentation error. One more time. This is a very common error in Python. You do small mistake, you are not providing space actually, automatically one error will come. That error is called as a indentation error. What error, sir? Indentation error. Okay, then can I specify this one? Yeah. Errors list out cheddam chudandi. Fifth one. Is it okay? Can we read all errors once actually? Syntax. Nice, man. Very nice actually. Then for indentation error, let me write a program. This is the code for indentation error. Okay, we have written an example actually. Let us walk through the theory. I will tell you one thumb rule where all indentation is required. Indentation refers to adding white spaces. It's a kind of we are adding white spaces before the statement to a particular block of the code actually. Python uses 4 spaces as indentation by default. However, the number of spaces is up to you. It doesn't matter at all. But a minimum of 1 space is required actually. Let us read an example. Example malli rastan chudandi. Yeah, good. Sir, here if you are using open virtual keyboard actually. Virtual keyboard, sir. You can just hit open virtual keyboard. Yeah, everybody make a note. See, keep your cursor here. You can use tab space. That is a best practice. That is what, Sachi? Best practice. Are you clear, sir? Right. Now, no, Daniel, I'm not use tab space actually. Can I use this one actually? You can use, sir. But if you are using this one, what happen? Keep here. Minimum 4 spaces required. Minimum. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times, man? 4. 4 is the default actually. No, Daniel, I will provide only 1 tab space. This is still valid example. I will provide only one space actually. This is still valid example, but I cannot recommend actually. Why I cannot recommend, if you are providing 1 space, definitely magnifier required. Magnifier into తెలుసా both of them. నిజంగా indentation ఉందా లేదా అనేది మనం చెక్ చేయాలన్నమాట. Are you clear or not, sir? See, so if you are executing this example, I have modified actually. Hello, I have modified the code and you can see the output actually. Yeah. Sorry, sir. Let's execute the code. Yeah, you are getting an output. Why no output? Why? Because I hope you already know. Yeah, let me rerun actually. Did you understand or not, sir? But I cannot recommend 1 space. But instead, what is the recommended, sir? 1 tab space. Chapani? I recommended this actually. I recommended this, right? This one also valid. 1 space as an indentation. Valid. 1 space. Only 1 space. but not recommended. But not what Saji? Recommended actually. The best way is go for one tab space actually. All right, it's the right time. So back to the session. If you are not following the proper indentation, then we will get an error, indentation error. Now it's the right time. I need to cover the theory. Till now, are you clear? Yeah, move on to that example. If is a keyword in Python, yeah, this theory is important, sir. This theory is important. If you are able to understand all these 4 to 5 points actually, till last chapter, I have repeated the same points. If else keyword also, for loop also, while also, these are all. So I request you please follow this one. If is a keyword in Python, chapter if is a, it is a keyword in Python. If statement contains an expression or condition or value, whenever you are writing if, after that we need to write a condition. That condition we can write by using expression. By using what, Sachi? You can still provide value, but we are not using in real time. As per the syntax, column is mandatory. Column is what, Sachi? Otherwise, we will get a syntax error. Otherwise, we will get what error? Let us delete the column symbol, and let me read in the code actually. I have deleted the column symbol. I'm providing indentation, but you know what? We'll get a syntax error. What error, sir? Go to the line, you can easy to understand. As per the syntax, this is the syntax rule. I didn't create it. Column is mandatory. Otherwise, it throws syntax error. Here is important. After if statement, we need to follow indentation. Otherwise, we'll get a, sir, this is called as a point to point. I'm explaining. Scratch. First point, second point, third point, like that I'm explaining actually. Right? That too in a very simple English. Make a note on this. Condition giving the result as a Boolean value. Yeah. When I'm talking about the condition always gives the result as a Boolean value. Then when you covered, operators topic I covered, especially relational operator. What operator? That day I told, this topic we are using flow control. Today is the topic. We have to realize actual. Open eye situation today. Condition giving the result as a Boolean type means either, but not both actual. Either true or false, but not both. Somebody is asking, is it training error actually? Either we can say yes or no, but we cannot say yes, no actual. Andega, sir. Right. Condition giving the result as a Boolean type, either true or false. If condition result is a true, if block statements will be executed. If condition result is a false, Chapan sir, if block statement, you should tell when if will execute, and if will not execute, you should tell actual. Make artha sir? Move on to the discussion. Yeah, this code kindly please look at my screen. Very simple code. I have created two variables. I have created what, Sachi? Two variables. X equals to 1, y equals to 1. Print. So here I am checking really condition, right? So let me just try to, I have created a condition comparing the two values. I hope you already know. If the condition result is what, Sachi? True. Can I ask a question? Why red color? One more time. You have to recognize, right? If I am using the condition here, this is just for checking purpose, man. This is just for what, Sachi? Checking purpose. Let me tell you. Previously, one student asked one question. Intaku mundu oka student oka question adagadu endante, anyway both are same, I know. Why checking actually? Enduku checking telusa? Let me tell you, imagine I have hide the code actually. Think like I have hide the code. I told, boss, I have created two variables. How many variables? Two variables. First variable name is a x. Next variable name is a y. Check both are same or not. Check both are what, Saji? Then you need to use relational operator. You need to use what, Saji? Think like a user perspective. Don't think like, I know I have created both are same. Why I need to check actually? Think like you don't know these two variables. You need to check. Then you need to use relational operator. What operator, sir? If condition result is a true, yeah, 1 double equals to 1. If block statements, what exactly, sir? Executed. Are you clear? You understand, I guess. Sorry, any question, I'm happy to help you. Okay? Ensure that it should be a technical discussion actually. Let me just try to recreate the same example. A or X actually. Let us take A. That's still okay. Let me take A. Next one, B equals to A. If chaptara A double equals to B. Very good. Column symbol, and here I would like to say both are same. Both are same. Otherwise, if block executes. If block what exactly, sir? If block executed. You block executes. Good. Very good. If block is executing. Can I ask a question? If block is executing because of the condition result is a Very good. You understand. If block is executing because the condition result is a nice. One more point I wanted to cover. ఇంకొక పాయింట్ నేను కవర్ చేయాలి. Move on. I need your help, sir. Can you tell me now what is the result? Okay, condition result is false, but what is output actually? No output. Very simple. What exactly, sir? No output. Are you clear? Let's move on. Daniel, condition result is a false. Let us do little R&D. There are more examples you are going to get from today. I request you, please, sir, flow control, you have to finish the practice today itself. Don't postpone the practice actually. If you are postponing, what happened, indentation you may forget, syntax you may forget actually, whole Python you will forget. So I recommend you do the practice today itself. Do the practice what, Sarji? Today itself. Condition result is what, Sarji? Result is false. Yeah, there are important examples you have to be aware. Important example. ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని examples మీకు important. ఆ examples ఏంటంటే, let me write. The same example I can take. A equals to 1, B equals to 1, but there is a one small new point I wanted to cover. A double equals to B, and here I would like to check hello, otherwise hi. Now here, let me write hello. Good morning. Good morning actually. Now let me explain the block of the code. Code explain చేస్తాను చూడండి. Are you ready? See. First two variables man we have created. Yeah, Daniel. The next one, if condition, and this line is belongs to if block. Only this line belongs to if block actually. Once after this block is coming outside, this line not belongs to if actually. Even this line not belongs to if actually. Are you with me or not, sir? I mean to say outside of the block. Outside of the block. This is tell me inside of the block. Whenever you are writing if keyword actually, the code is available outside of the block, the code is available inside of the block actually. Are you with me? Let me tell you one small point. Sir, this statement execution depend on the condition. Come on, we already know. This statement execution depends on the condition. But let me tell you, this statement always executes. This statement, no matter what, either condition result is a false or not, this statement always execute actually. Meeku ippudu ardhamayinda? I mean to say that whenever you are writing if block actually, out of the if block there may be a chance we can write a code actually. Out of the if block there may be a chance we can write what, Saji? This code always executes man, no matter what. Either condition is result, either condition is a true or not, doesn't matter at all actually. Can I get a response actually? This condition, this statement always, yeah, let me write this example. ఈ example execute చేస్తాను చూడండి. Guess output actually, output ఏం వస్తుంది చెప్పండి సార్. Very good. Yes, exactly. Very good. You understand. Take this example. Last line, focus on last line, always executes. That's what I wanted to highlight. No matter what. అసలు సంబంధం లేదు సార్. కండిషన్కి దీనికి సంబంధం లేదు. గుడ్. లెట్ us make it false. Now I need your help. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అర్థమైందో లేదో నాకు అర్థం అవుతుంది. చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ నా? వెరీ గుడ్, దెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. మీకు అర్థమైంది సినిమా. దట్స్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు బి అండర్స్టాండ్స్. అర్థమైందా? దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఎ ఫ్లో కంట్రోల్. దిస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ వాట్ సర్జీ? ఫ్లో కంట్రోల్. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కండిషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్. చెప్పండి సార్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కండిషన్. కండిషన్ యాక్చువల్ కండిషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని బ్లాక్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతున్నాయి. If you do practice, then only you will come to know actual. Now everybody look at my screen. అందరూ కూడా ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ చూడండి. Let me look at my screen. Can you help me? What is output? Very good, sir. One more time. What is output? Syntax error. What error? Before that error only you should do predict. అంటే ఎర్రర్ వచ్చే ముందు మీరు గెస్ చేయాలి ఆ ఎర్రర్ ఏంటి అనేది. Learn like that actually. Can you tell me what is output? One more time.
Indentation error.
One more time, sir. Very nice. Let us just have to raise it actually. Exactly. Indentation error. Slowly by slowly you need to practice. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు అలవాటు అవుతుంది. Very good. You know what? Can I tell the good news? We done with the if keyword. You guys need to walk through. Yeah. Out of the block actually it always executes, man. It always what, Saji? Executes. It never depends upon the condition actually. Why red color? One more time. Move on. Next topic is the if else. Next topic is what, Saji? If else actually. Now hold on. We do have other examples. I will cover one by one actually. You will get an idea. Did I miss anything? No. Let's continue. Now it's a right time. The second topic, Daniel. What is the second topic? You know, sir, if else keyword. If else what, Saji? Keywords actually. This is the combination. This is the combination. Let me continue. There was a one counter question you need to be understand. Please look at my screen. Counter question. Daniel, we have if keyword. Daniel, we have if keyword. If keyword. Then why if and else combination came? If and else combination came. Combination came actually. First understand this. Combination. Asli combination ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Are you clear? Let me explain the problem with the if keyword. Let me explain the problem with what, Saji? If keyword. If keyword తో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లం నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. Then definitely else keyword is required. What keyword required? Else keyword. Let me tell you. Go back and I wanted to execute the same example, biryani example. Biryani cost. Raise your hand. How many of you only vegetarian actually? Only vegetarian. Oh, only vegetarian. Okay. Biryani cost equals to 300. The next one will be, చెప్పండి సార్, wallet underscore, yeah, money. In our wallet would have a money, right? Price actually. Good. Now can you help me? If let us create the first variable, let us create the second variable. Why I'm taking same example? You know why? Because you already know the code actually. Then I no need to take the pain to explain the code again. Let us take this one. Sir, enjoy the biryani. Enjoy what, Saji? Biryani. Good. Can you tell me what is output, sir? Output em vastado cheptara? Enjoy what, Saji? Very good. Enjoy biryani. Enjoy the biryani. Yeah, enjoy biryani. Good. Now, can you tell me what is output actually? No output. Now, this is the problem. What is the problem, you know? Imagine when you are running the program, you have to display something actually. Sir, when you are running the program, display something. But when you are running the program, you are not displaying something. This is not fair. You have to show some output actually. You have to show some what, Saji? Output. But if condition result is a false, what happen, you know? It is not displaying anything. It is not displaying what, Saji? Anything. Then else keyword is required. What keyword is required? Else keyword is required to display something. Else keyword is required to display what, Saji? Something actually. Now else syntax is else keyword, column symbol. What symbol? Can you tell me after column what is required? Very good. One more time. Indentation, right? Indentation. Sir, if no money, enjoy hostel food actually. Enjoy what, Saji? Hostel food. I'm sorry for kidding. Let us run the code. Yeah, exactly, man. You understand, I guess, actually. Can I get a response from you? I'm sorry for kidding. Man, there are two conditions. If condition result is a true, if block will be executed, sir. If condition result is a false, else block will be executed. That's what you need to get an idea. Let me repeat again. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. So simple, in my program, I have created two variables. Both variables values are same. First variable name is a biryani cost 300 rupees, sir. In my wallet also I do have exactly 300 rupees, or in my phone pay exactly I do have 300 rupees. Then go to the restaurant. Then if price is both tags are matching, both tags are what, Saji? Matching. Then if condition result is a true, can you tell me if block will execute? Chappan sir, if block. Then if condition result is a false, don't make output as empty. If condition result is a false, then automatically else block will be execute, sir. What block will be execute? Else block execute. Statements rayamantara? Yeah, good. Please make a note. Daniel, condition. Yeah, condition. If condition result is a true, condition having the result, condition having what, Saji? Result. If condition result is a true, chaptara, if block will execute. What it will execute, sir? If block will execute. I need your response. If block will be? Yeah, Daniel. If condition result is a false, chapter sir, else block will execute. That's what you need to be understand. Will be execute. If you are able to understand this is seriously awesome actually. Did you understand? Sir, I need a response. Last point. What is your point? You know, sir? At a time, only one block will be executed. One block will be execute. Will be what, Saji? Execute. But not both. But not what, Saji? Both. But not both. Ante whatever it is, either if block will execute or else block executes, but not both actually. But not what, Saji? Both. Practically, let me show you. In practical, malli sir chupistanu. Then you will get a clarity. Then you know what you are explaining. Let me explain, sir. Let us make it 300. As per example, we are getting only if output actually. We are getting only what exactly, sir? If output. I mean, this if block is executing. Once the flow entered inside a if block actually, then Python never check the next block.
Yeah.
Python never goes to the else actually. Why? Because this is already true. Then there is no need of entering into the false situation actually. Are you with me? Good. The next one. If this block failed, I mean to say condition is a false, then it will go to the next line and it will execute automatically. Conclusion of the story, at that time, either this block will execute or this block execute, but not both actually. But not what, Saji?
Both.
Very simple. I hope you understand. Sir, simple, sir. ఈ కోడింగ్ చూసి మీరు ఏం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలంటే, థింక్ లైక్ మై ఫాదర్ హ్యావ్ సీన్ 2 matches. My father have seen 2 matches for me. Think like that actually. We are from India. Only one marriage is allowed actually. Am I right or not, sir? Either I need to go for first match, I need to go for second match, but not. You understand, I guess, actually, right? Make a note on this. Did I added this example? I hope I didn't add it, sir. Let me just try to add. We are using if-else keywords. We are using if-else keywords. Condition. Result is true. Then what block, sir? If block. Chappan, sir, what block? If block. Yeah. Let me take the same example. Now, if and else keywords example, yes. Condition result is what, such? False. If condition result is a false, which block will execute?
Else.
Very nice. You understand. Slowly, logical thinking, you need to improve actually. Sorry. Yeah, very good, sir. Okay, cool. Let us continue. Back to the theory. Come on, look at my screen actually. Okay, can I ask you one question? Sir, wherever column came, what is the next line? Indentation. Chappan, sir. Hold on. Wherever column came, next line? Indentation. Here also column, indentation. How many columns do you have? 2 columns. Then 2 indentations. Ensure that you have to mandatory actually. Okay, are you clear? No, Daniel, just for fun. Can I remove this actually? No. You should not remove. If you are removing, you will get what exactly? No? Indentation. What error, sir? Indentation. I can talk with Python directly. Hey Python, I have a total 15 years of experience actually. Don't play the joke. Execute error actually. Even though error is available, you can execute. If I am saying don't play the joke, Python will tell who started first actually. You understand, I guess. I mean to say, you are raising error, right? We started the joking first actually. Let us continue. Yeah. Move on, sir. See, the same points I kept here just for your better understanding. Let us continue. If and else are keywords in Python. If and else, both are keywords. Both are what, Saji? Keywords. Okay. If statement contains an expression or condition. Are you going to write if actually? Yeah, Daniel. Then definitely RHS required. When I say RHS condition we can create by using expression. Condition we can create by using what, Saji? Expression, right? As per the syntax, column is mandatory. Otherwise, syntax, sir. Sir, I like running commentary. నేను అడిగినప్పుడు చెప్పాలి. Then I feel నా ego satisfy అవుతుంది actually. Are you with me? Good, please. If you are not telling, I will repeat one more time. అలా చెప్తూనే ఉంటాను అనమాట. Right? Come on. As per syntax, column is thank you. Right? Otherwise, you will get a syntax error. After if and else statements, yeah. Are you going to write if actually? Yes. Are you going to write else also? Then indentation is required. What is required? Otherwise, you will get a perfect. Condition gives either result as a Boolean value, either it is true or false. If condition result is a true, if block executes. If condition result is a false, that's what you need to be understand, sir. We're done. I hope you are getting. Yeah, move on. Slowly I can continue. These all examples are very easy. చాలా ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తాయి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. Let me ask a question. Why red color? Make a note. It should be keyword actually. It's a keyword. Yeah, both are same. X equals to 1, y equals to 1. Then which block will be executed, sir? If block. Yes, exactly, it is executing. But generally, though you guys are freshers and new learners actually, just to check the condition. What is the condition result? Know the condition, then you will come to know either this one will execute, this one will execute actually. Generally, I should not write like this, even in Raigodu, but why I'm writing like this, you will come to know. Okay, though it is a true, that's what you block executed actually. The next one, though it is a false, though it is what, Sarji? False, else block execute. Else block what, Sarji? Else block syntax is like that. Else column, you have to write say as it is actual. You have to write as it is. Can I continue? Yeah. Now the next one, if, elif, else combination. If, elif, what, Sarji? Else combination. Let me talk with online team since a long, right? Online team, how are you, sir? Are you following the session? I need one response, please. In Google Classroom, you may miss the practice. That is painful for me. If you are missing practice indirectly, I feel, you are missing the topic actually. Are you with me? Good. And one more point. Don't apply your academic practice. Let me repeat again. Don't apply your academic practice. What do you mean by academic practice, Academic practice and imagine Thursday is exam. Imagine Thursday is what, Sarji? Exam. Then I know about you. Not only you actually, I know about myself. If Thursday is exam, till Tuesday or Wednesday evening 5, no preparation. Playing cricket, watching these are all things. Am I right or not, sir? Wednesday night will become something like a Buddha actually. Am I right? And I'm sorry for getting. Definitely. For my practice, let me tell you. I will tell to my mother, I like tea. I like tea actually. I will tell to my mother, Mom, tomorrow is exam. Prepare 1 flask tea actually. 1 flask what, Saji? Tea. Then the whole night is a preparation. Whole night is what, Saji? Preparation. Till 2:33 actually. Then whole subject we can grab here. Then next day, no disturbance actually. Go to the exam, we can write like this actually. Am I right or not, sir? In academic, that works actually. But if you wanted to enter into the IT industry, I'm sorry. Regular practice is important, sir. What is important? You have to do practice regularly. I request you. Let's move on. Thank you. There are 2 questions I need to answer. Okay, let me take this. One question is from Sheikh Sarji. Next question is from Jalaja ma'am. Let me capture these 2 questions and let me answer actually. Sheikh. One question that's still okay. Python session, how many days it will go actually? Sir, Python session exactly 26 sessions, 26 plus sessions actually. 26 plus sessions till OOPS topic. I mean to say Python total, how many topics I'm going to cover, sir? 19 topics I'm going to cover. Till 26 sessions. Then what is the current session actually? 11th. Make a note like this actually. Valid question. Sheikh sir, did you understand? And one more point. I will tell one thing. Hold on. Next point will be Jalaja ma'am. Here I need to tell one point actually. Chuptanagandi. One point. Are boss? Could you please let me know where we can get earlier sessions videos for reference actually? Please reach out admin. Reach out admin actually. One small point. My name is Daniel. I'm just a trainer at Naresh IT. Trainer at Naresh IT, NIT. I takes care about material. I takes care about session deliver, running notes, these are all. But recorded session would have a separate team. Would have an online admin team. Maybe Ashish, I guess actually. You please reach admin boss. You please reach what, Sarji? Admin. Admin will helpful. Previous sessions are really important. All right. Now go. Maybe there are 2 points I wanted to cover here. Okay, 2 points cover chesanu chudandi. Yeah, good. Point number 1. First point. The next one will be second point. There was one student. Maybe we already have an interaction actually from your batch only. That was 5th day session. What session, sir? 5th day session. Maybe he mailed me. He directly, mailed me. I guess. I'm sorry, I should not reveal the name. That's still okay. I never reveal. 5th day session. What he told, Arey Daniel, I am master in Python. I am what exactly, sir? Master in Python. I mean to say, I know Python end to end actual. I know Python A to Z. Is there any chance you can skip Python, skip what, Saji? Python, and you can move on actually. You can what exactly, sir? Move on. Then I replied. This is the mail from his side. What I replied, Anna, maybe you are master actually. Along with you, 99 members joined. 99 members, what, Saji? All are not master, they are juniors. They are what, Saji? Juniors. It's never ever possible to skip the Python. I would like to explain from the scratch. I would like to explain from what, Saji? Scratch. Either if you want, you can continue. Otherwise, it's okay. You can check alternative. That is my response actually. Did you understand, sir? If anyone already know Python, that's still okay. But from my session, I'm sure many things you can learn actually, like LHS equals to RHS, keywords table. For a keyword, how I explain, that kind of explanation you never ever get anywhere else. Sir, this is just starting. Once I entered into the string topic, what topic actually? Maybe after this flow control, actual real time I will explain. I will talk with example actually. Are you clear? Sir, I need response. Yeah, good. If anyone already know Python, please be patient. See, until finish the Python actually. Next point. What is the next point? I got one feedback from admin. Feedback from what, Sarji? Admin. Regarding the sessions. Regarding what, Sarji? Sessions actually. What kind of feedback? Let me drink the water. Water the sir. The feedback will be either I'm not sure 2 to 3 members. 2 to 3 members. That's still okay. 2 to 3 members. Admin never reveal the names. Even we never come to know also. Every shepherd and everything telescope. Not required, sir. I do have total 8 years of teaching experience. How many years, man? 8 years, sir. Not a joke. I didn't started teaching yesterday. Nena start in teaching. Somebody telling my teaching is very slow. Teaching is what, Sarji? Very slow actually. Then is it possible? Can he make him up speed actually? Can he speed up session actually? I'm sorry, I never actually. My session goes like this only. My session goes what, Saji? Like this, no doubt at all. Till last today's session. Till what, Saji? I will explain like this only. If you are feeling my session is a little slow, I'm sorry for this. And at Naresh IT, Daniel is not only one trainer. Naresh IT lo Daniel okkade trainer kaadu. You have other trainers. You can try with SRK, sir. SRK means not Shahrukh Khan, sir. It's like a Siva Ramakrishna, sir. SRK, sir, we have a Onkar, sir. We have a Senapati, Sarji. We have a different trainers. You can try with other actual. Sir, can I get a response? Are you clear? These 2 points I'm very clear actually. If anyone feeling I'm little slow, I'm sorry, sir. I'm like this only. Why? Because I would like to explain from scratch. I would like to explain from what, Sarji? I considered you guys are from zero. You don't know anything, you joined actually. Then that's my responsible. I need to explain technical. I need to explain what, Saji? Technical. I'm sorry, sir. Can I continue? Yeah. If my voice is louder, I'm sorry for this. Maybe I already told. 10:42. 10 minutes out of discussion. But that's still okay. One more time I'm reminding. Let us reduce my voice. When we started this batch ever started, sir? 13, right? 13. September 12th, you can remind me. Friday and next one will be Saturday actually. Okay, good. Now we are in Friday. Saturday. Tomorrow would you have a session? Actually. Everybody look at my screen. Next to Saturday exam actually. That would be really good. I will tell you the exam pattern also. Exam ante ela untundi ante. Let us go to the Python. If it is exam, your preparation is very good actually. That's what I'm planning to conduct exam. I will tell you what kind of exam I will conduct. Next Friday, right? Next Saturday, kada? Can I target for till flow control chapter? Yeah. 1 to flow control chapter. I'm repeating again. From Python introduction to you have to prepare till flow control. Once you prepared all these 9 chapter actually, next Saturday, offline student and online students. Online students, I will talk with you. Offline students, you have to come up with 2 to 3 papers actually. Pen and paper, get ready. Please, I request you. Please don't skip that actually. Once you enter into our session, I will give 3 to 4 questions. I will give what, Sarji? 3 to 4 questions. You have to write that questions actually, including example. Follow our material actually. Follow our what exactly, sir? Material. Can I give one small example? What I will give actually? Explain about all 5 rules for naming convention. Trust me, I will not give that question. I hope you understand. Am I right? If I am giving that kind of questions, if I am conducting this kind of weekly or 2 weekly one exam, your preparation will be awesome, sir.
మీరు టాపిక్స్ అట్లీస్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారు. దట్స్ మెయిన్ మోటో. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ అటెండింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఆల్సో దట్స్ స్టిల్ ఫైన్. ఐ విల్ నాట్ పాయింట్ యూ, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ అప్ టు యూ. I never, sir, I'm like very open source actually. If you wanted to talk, I can talk. If you are silent, I will be very silent actually. But let me tell you, if you are silent, if you are not doing the practice actually, it impacts your career, but not my career. It impacts which career actually? Your career. Make a note on this. Okay. I will talk about my practice also. Even I was very average student in my academic. My academic record ganaka meer chuste 10th to MC I don't know how I got it. 10th to BSc, 10th intermediate BSc. I'm from graduation. Then later I have done post graduation actually. 65%, 67%, 62% actually. I am very average student. But you know, after I done my graduation, I really decided, Are man, till now I'm average actually. In technical, I'm not average, sir. In technical, I'm not average actually. I done mastering skills actually. I done such a nice practice. Just because of my practice only, I'm standing here. నేను ఇక్కడ నిలబడ్డాను అంటే ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఐ బిలీవ్ గాడ్, బై గాడ్ గ్రేస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మై ప్రాక్టీస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వాట్ సర్జీ? ప్రాక్టీస్. సో ప్రాక్టీస్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్? Practice is very, very important actually. So maybe let me close today's session. Please don't skip the practice. Next started exam. What are the topics actually? 1 to 9 actually. You will come for a session, right? Vasar kada session. Yeah, please. I believe guys actually. Fine, sir. Online team, you have to write exam on the paper same. Oh, I got some comments in online also. Keep the same in explanation very clear. Oh, very good. Sir, yes sir, super session. I trust it is not a biscuit actually. Thank you for this. No need to speed up. It's not slow, it's understanding. It's good, sir. Please go on the same speed. Okay, thank you. Is there any doubt clear session? Sir, please conduct doubt clear session, and every day need doubt clear.